In this lesson, you're going to begin to learn half the battle of Spanish, and we are going to learn the pronunciation of the vowels. So the Spanish vowels are the same as the English vowels, being that they are A, E, I, O, and U. And so let's look at the A first, or la A. La A makes the same sound as the English A in father. Okay, an example of this is mano, which means hand, and agua, water. So it says a, mano, agua. Next, la E makes the same sound as the English A in late. Some examples: café, coffee, and tarde, late. So it says E, café, and tarde. All right, now la I makes the same sound as the English I in chlorine. Some examples: isla, island, and estilo, style. So it says I, isla, estilo. Okay, muy bien. So la O makes the same sound as the English O in no. Some examples: comer means to eat, or cómo, which means how. So it says O, comer, cómo. And finally, la U. La U makes the same sound as the English U in rude. Some examples: burro, donkey, or octubre, which is October. Okay, so it says U, burro, octubre. Now, la U is the only vowel in Spanish that has another rule for its pronunciation. So la U is silent in GUE, which is gay, GUI, gi, QUE, K, and QUI, which is key. Now here's some examples of those. Guerra, which means war. Okay, now the U is silent. It's not guerra, but guerra. Then guia, which means guide, and that is not guia, but guia, so the U is silent. And then using the QUE, we'll just leave it like it is, put an accent over the E, and that means what, so it is que, not que. And then using QUI, we'll say aquí, which means here. Again, that's not a qui, but aquí, and the U is silent. All right, so that is your pronunciation for the vowels, and we'll see you in the next lesson.